this is the tech we're taking to Japan. Little bag there, an alpaca sling will be for the camera gear, which is 2 lavalier mics, an Action 4 from DJI Osmo, little recharger for the mics, and the 3 battery pack, which has 2 in there and 1 in the camera. Also be taking the MacBook and some earbuds. And we'll be taking a 2 terabyte external drive for videos to be stored on, to be edited when we get back, and a power block. So, emergency over-the-counter meds, and the toothbrush and the liquids there, and the deodorant and whatnot. Clothing. Have a neck cowl, which can fold in half to become a beanie if necessary. 2 pairs of undies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of socks, 2 t-shirts, and 2 long sleeve t-shirts, all in merino, and a merino hoodie. There's a black trousers, one of which I'll have on, as I will with this t-shirt and that long sleeve t-shirt as well. It's all going to fit into this 18-litre bag. I'll show you. The liquids for teeth cleaning and that sort of stuff go in that little Ziploc mesh bag. Socks and undies go along the bottom. And above that, and the medications. Finally, the trousers over the top. A dedicated laptop section here for easy access at security and whatnot. You can see it easily fits the 14-inch. The other mic I attach magnetically to the side of the camera so that they're ready to go when I need them. The charging cable for the mics goes in the next little sachet without too much drama. The batteries go in there, and the tech bag with the camera, with the charger and the 2 terabyte hard drive goes in there. And finally, we have our international adapter. Now that has a few ports on it, as you can see, but so too does the MacBook, so we don't need to carry a dock. And finally, the earbuds. There you go. And I'm taking 1 pair of shoes. These are the Keen hiking shoes. Waterproof, quite comfortable. I've been breaking them in for the last week, and it was like I'd owned them for 10 years when I first put them on. They are very comfortable. And all up, the combined weight is 6.1 kilos. So enough to keep us going.